Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Remove the 4.5 mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right trunk to the top cover. Remove the two 2 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right trunk to the top cover. Remove the 5 mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right trunk to the top cover. Carefully slide the right trunk off of the top cover and remove. The left trunk is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Slide the right trunk into position on the top cover. Replace the 5 mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right trunk to the top cover. Replace the two 2 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right trunk to the top cover. Replace the 4.5 mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right trunk to the top cover. The left trunk is replaced in the same manner.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.